In today's video, I'll show you how to make your Windows File Explorer look clean, modern, and premium using the Blur and Mica effect. The best part, it only takes a couple of minutes to set up, and you can easily restore the default File Explorer whenever you want. So, let's get started. First, open the GitHub repository. You'll find the link in the description below. Scroll down to the Releases section and download the latest zip file for your system. Once the download is complete, open your Downloads folder and extract the zip. Now open the extracted folder. Find register.cmd, right-click it, and choose Run as administrator. If Windows asks for permission, simply click Yes. That's it. Within a few seconds, your File Explorer will have a beautiful Blur and Mica effect. Your Windows desktop will instantly look cleaner, more modern, and much more premium. Now, what if you want to uninstall it later? Simply open the same extracted folder again and find uninstalled.cmd. Right-click it, choose Run as administrator, and wait for about 5 seconds. That's it. Your File Explorer will be restored to the original Windows look. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Turn on notifications for more Windows customization, productivity tips, and tech